Good with it, y'all. Right now, I'm about to unbox some shoes. One pair I believe I'm gonna work on, and the other pair I may keep for myself just to wear or whatever. I don't know. I'm still deciding, but both of them are the same pair, and they are a pair of Dunks. So let's see which ones I got. Okay, so exacto. Yeah, I just was working, so y'all gotta excuse my attire. It's one of my paint hoodies. Then I got to do with McDouchki on. My hair look a mess. And I ain't want to show y'all that, you feel me? That tank chip on fire. Let me try that. Nah, he hard, man. What in the... Hope they're touching on my shoes, man. Oh, y'all can't even see it, but bruh. It's all good though. Nah, these hard though. These hard. I'm definitely, yeah, these gonna go crazy in the spring, summer. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I think I gotta keep me a pair. One of these, I don't know. I might have to keep one of these. And the other pair, I'm gonna be doing a custom on, which, you know, it's the same exact shoe. I just got two of them because, you know, it's hard to get Dunk Lows sometimes, man. And when you can get them, you should get them. And you should flip them. My version of flipping is painting, then selling. I got a sneaker event coming up. April 1st. It's in Nashville. I do not know the location, but I will let y'all know that as soon as I find out. But yeah, I got one, so if y'all in Nashville, pull up to the Sneak Fest in Nashville. It's hosted by Sneak Fest, and I think the Titans are like sponsoring or something like that. So y'all definitely pull up, come see your boy and everything, man. But it's just been a little quick video showing y'all the stuff that I be buying and bringing in that I might paint and stuff like that. So make sure you like the video and subscribe, join the squad. You know what I'm saying? And I'ma catch you.
That sound I'm hearing it blazing, dog. It ain't gotta be a special occasion, dog. I gotta go.